Hey there, folks. I am Angie Weinberger, a global mobility expert, and I am a lecturer in the Erasmus University program for the Master of Global Mobility. You might have seen me referring to this guy. Yeah, I'm going to hold him in the camera. That is Yoda. It's the Christmas Yoda. And I want to make you a very special offer today. If you decide to sign up for the Global Mobility course, the Master course, I would offer you a 50% discount on my Global Rockstars program. And I would happily coach you once a week on all your global mobility. Please take the option and contact me with the keyword Yoda, so I know that you're interested in joining the master course, and I will be happily talking to you soon. Have a fantastic day and also a great end of the year time. Bye-bye.